Welcome to this Paladina Health overview. Over the next few minutes, you will learn about a totally new approach to employer-sponsored healthcare. Paladina Health improves employees' health and satisfaction and also decreases healthcare costs by helping you take control over your company's healthcare supply chain in a revolutionary new way. Is your company struggling to manage year-over-year increases in healthcare costs? Do you feel like you've pulled all the levers? Going self-funded, moving to consumer-driven health plans, trying wellness programs, and yet are still looking for that next strategy that will move the needle on costs? What challenges are employers like you facing? For many companies, healthcare inflation is growing faster than revenue, and insurance costs per family have nearly doubled over the past decade. According to PricewaterhouseCoopers, medical costs will increase at approximately 8% in 2013. Your company's healthcare costs might be increasing at this level, or even more on an annual basis. Is your revenue growth outpacing this cost growth? For most companies, the answer is no. How sustainable is this rate of growth on such a large portion of your costs? Our nation's health and most employees' health is worsening. The growth of chronic disease such as diabetes and heart disease is staggering. Individuals with chronic disease make up a much bigger portion of the total healthcare spend for employers, and these employees are also the ones who spend the most time away from work to manage their illnesses. Costs associated with the top 5% of individuals covered on your plan actually make up 50% of your total healthcare costs. Unfortunately, healthcare reform laws will do more to worsen these issues than to solve them. Because more people will have access to health coverage through government-sponsored programs like Medicaid, which pay low rates, providers are likely to respond by charging higher prices to commercial health plans in order to make up the difference. Employers will foot the bill. These issues are particularly challenging because they are systemic and complex, and most employers feel powerless in addressing them. Paladina Health's medical home model is an innovative strategy that is helping employers successfully fight back against these industry trends. Our results demonstrate the power of our model. First, Paladina Health is reducing its clients' total healthcare costs by as much as 15% in the first year of participating in the medical home program. Our program also restructures companies' healthcare spend so that they experience lower healthcare inflation on an ongoing basis. Second, Paladina Health's program delivers dramatic improvements in employee and dependent health, far above those delivered by traditional wellness or disease management programs. In this example, a diabetic population's measure of blood sugar improved rapidly within the medical home program. Within 6 months, 82% of the diabetics were at goal, far exceeding national benchmark goals. Finally, Paladina Health drives employee and dependent engagement by delivering a great service experience. This engagement is a key tool in enabling the medical home to achieve its cost-saving and health improvement goals. Unlike many health benefit programs, the Paladina Health Medical Home is viewed as a special benefit provided by employers that highly value their employees. It is possible to offer your employees and their dependents a phenomenal health benefit that will delight them, improve their overall health, and reduce your company's total healthcare costs as a result. Let's look at how Paladina Health's medical home drives these results in 3 key ways. The first element is to maximize primary care. We bring as much care into a lower-cost primary care setting as possible. This enables extremely high access to a dedicated family practice physician who is trained to provide about 85 to 90% of most patients' healthcare needs. Paladina Health physicians are available to their patients 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, to help directly with their healthcare needs, or to help guide them to the right care setting. As a patient, you have access to your personal Paladina Health physician, not a call service or a nurse line. Our physicians have enough time to devote to all of their patients' healthcare needs because they have about 2/3 fewer patients to care for than a typical doctor. They care holistically for patients, including proactively interacting with patients with chronic disease, addressing the top 5% of individuals who drive 50% of healthcare costs. The second element of our medical home optimizes outside care. When services outside the clinic are needed, such as an MRI, the physician helps guide their patients to a lower-cost, high-quality provider using our proprietary technology tool. This tool is customized to provide cost guidance on health services in your insurance network. Our physicians also help patients choose and facilitate communication with specialist doctors. This disciplined referral management process is the way we send care to the right provider at the right price. The third element of our medical home is to align incentives for physicians so that the physician is paid based on the engagement, health outcomes, and satisfaction of their patients, not on the number of procedures they perform or patients they see. And for many employers, Paladina Health will put a portion of its fee at risk based on the cost savings realized. Our services are provided in convenient clinics, which may be on-site at work or near the employer's location in a clinic shared by several employers. We create clinic solutions that are tailored to your population and are designed to provide convenient access in relation to both work and home in order to ensure ease of use by both employees and their dependents. By providing high access to a dedicated primary care physician who is accountable for health outcomes and employee satisfaction, the Paladina Health Medical Home not only improves employees' health, but it also offers an insanely great healthcare experience, and does so at a lower cost to the employer. Is a Paladina Health Medical Home solution a good fit for your company? Our solution works for the majority of employers. However, there are a number of company characteristics that enable a successful program implementation and return on investment. Most of our clients are self-insured as they see the immediate benefits of the program's cost savings. Paladina Health can build a tailored clinic solution if you have 500 or more employees in each location. Or you may be able to take advantage of a nearby clinic shared with other companies that is already open in your area. Paladina Health welcomes you to join our rapidly growing client list as we expand our revolutionary employer-sponsored medical home solution across the nation. If you are interested in learning more, please call or email Paladina Health today for more information. We look forward to providing your employees with a great healthcare experience and providing your company with lower overall healthcare costs for many years to come.